So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your iPad just keeps going through and restarting randomly. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing you might want to do is to go through and just force restart your iPad. So go through, I know it's kind of looking like it's restarting, but you might just want to go through and just try force restarting it and seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPad, and then go through, slide the power off, and give it a few moments, let it turn back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing the problem for you. You might also want to double check your battery health on your iPad. So make your way over to your iPad settings, scroll down until you find that battery option, and then once you find that battery option like this, you want to double check your battery health. If your iPad supports you seeing your battery health, you want to make sure your battery health is good and it's great. Sometimes if it's under the 80%, if it's around 70, 60%, that's going to give you some issues on your iPad. So that might be something you might want to double check. On top of that, you might also want to just go see if there's an update available for your iPad. So what you can do is go through, click on your general options right here, and then what you can do is you can go through and click on the software update panel, which is right over here, and just try seeing if there's an update available for your iPad. This is another thing that I would highly recommend doing, and this will probably end up fixing and addressing a lot of the problems you might end up having here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to kind of think about it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.